Welcome back, guys. We're back. We're back with the bike. For you, it's been a few seconds. For us, it has been a hot minute. We got more. Come closer. I won't bite. I won't bite. We got some parts. Yeah. All right. We got all these goodies. So the exhaust didn't work because the holes were drilled out in the. You can't reach that. But essentially, the cylinder head, the holes. Actually, we'll do a quick cut and I'll show it to you. All right, guys. This is a cylinder, and this is a piston, and this is new because these holes were too big on the existing head to fit this beautiful exhaust. But now they're not too big anymore. So we got a performance kit from Aersol, and it's rated for about 4 horsepower, which is a lot. 4 horsepower is a lot. That's more than my legs and Lenny's legs. So we got this. We got some 2-stroke oil for assembly, and we got some other bits and pieces to make everything work perfectly. So we're gonna unbox all the stuff, and we'll see you back in a minute. All right, we got stuff. We got stuff right here, baby. We got a head, we got a cylinder, we got a piston, we got a reed valve, and we got some other bits and pieces to make it work. So we're gonna start by tearing that apart. So we're gonna start by taking these panels off, but first we gotta get the bike outside because I can't work in here. So last time, or actually this time, but last week, we painted these fairing pieces, and as beautiful as they are, they gotta come off because they're in the way. Alright guys, now that the fairings have been removed, we're going to get rid of the spark plug that's over here. That should just go out like that, and then we're gonna get a torque wrench and we're gonna remove it. Alright guys, we have successfully removed the spark plug. Not much dirt on here, just a little bit of grease, but that's a good sign. There's too much oil in the fuel, which is, I guess it's fine. You better have too much oil than not enough, because you can never have too much lube. But yeah, if you have too much, the engine runs with less power, but it runs. If you have too little, yeah, the engine's just not gonna run, it's gonna clog up. So there's too much oil in the mixture, but that's not a big problem. Just get new fuel. We already have pre-mixed fuel here, but we also bought 2-stroke oil, so we can start mixing our own fuel. And now that all that stuff is out of the way,
we're gonna unscrew the head.
No, we're gonna take off the reed valve and the manifold so we can unscrew the head. Okay guys, first step, remove the carburetor by simply opening up this clamp. That should be decent. I hope that fuel doesn't start pouring out.
Alright guys, so quick explanation of what you're seeing. We brought the bike into my neighbor's garage because he has a stand and it's easier to work on the bike when it's not on the ground. And also because we couldn't get a bolt loose because we didn't have the right socket for it. So I asked him for the socket, but he said he'll make some time and help us. So we waited for a couple of hours, that's why it's dark outside, and now we're in his garage working on the bike.
Wiggle, like your mouth teeth. Wiggle, wiggle. Wiggle.
Please turn somewhere. Okay. We don't need those. I have new ones.
Screwdriver. Not impressed.
More pressure.
shuts down.
Would you consider this enough?
Yep.
Fingers. I never want to hook that on my fingers ever again. Don't zoom in on my face. Zoom out.
I want to.
Where's your ball? Where's your ball? Where's your ball?
Yeah, short way.
So it's a different.
And here is a different locking pin on a different size. This one is here.
All right, so we take the bottom one off again, right?
No,
Is the bottom one correct?
you can turn them easily.
Do you want me to have the light on?
No, it's alright. It's alright. I'm putting a lot of force on it.
Yeah, a little bit more. A little bit more. Thank you very much. Connected.
Bro!
The cylinder when you do it.
Yes.
Because probably won't fall off, but just in case.
So my finger here.
Yeah.
That's crazy.
You got that?
Yeah.
Okay. No, I need one bolt. I need one bolt. Well, where did you? Exist?
Yes, but this is 60.
No, it's way bigger. Like an 18.
19.
Okay.
Or 18.
No, I think it's even bigger.
Even bigger.
Yeah. It's not on there. Yeah, like a 20. Is that a 20?
21.
Yeah, how much pressure?
Just snug it. Yep, it's enough. The other one too. The
Oh, of course. It's on real tight. Alright, that's on there. It's not going anywhere.
I want to feel compression.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That okay. It's hard to turn over.
Yes.
It's supposed to be.
Nice.
Beautiful exhaust. It's crazy how like expensive this stuff is for what you're actually doing. I actually don't got it. I actually don't got this. The thing is, I don't see it.
It came off, didn't it?
Yeah, it came off. But why is it not going back on?
Yeah.
Yeah, of course. Be careful, it might leak a little bit of fuel. No matter which way it goes on.
Yes. This way up,
That way up.
because this is snipping over that one.
Oh my god.
Yes.
I didn't even think about that. Okay. I wanna turn it.
Okay.
So I can have the side below connected. 'Cause I don't know how else I would do it. Like that, right?
Yep.
Is the bottom side connected? No, it's not. Of course it's not. I need to get this ring on here first. 1 second.
Grease will help anything.
Of course. But this needs to be... Or I can just leave it... Can I get a screw so I can open this ring a little bit more? Looks like it. How on earth am I gonna get this ring on there? Well, not like that. I think it has to be on here first.
Yep.
Like this. And then I can align it. Alright. Is it on everywhere? It's on everywhere.
Oh, just pop it on behind.
Yes, like that, right?
Yeah, a little bit more forward.
I don't know
Yep.
if it can go a little.
Fine.
Okay. Am I unscrewing? Yeah, I'm unscrewing.
Not quite.
How did I even get this on here in the first place? It was on there at one point, so it must be able to go back on. Yep, like that. This one over here. Alright, okay. Looks good. Surprisingly good. Can you throw this in the trash? No, I was joking.
All right.
Alright, we just did all that stuff. Actually, I mean... Okay. Alright. Let's see if it works. What time is it?
Like 11. Something like that. Oh, actually, I can't see. It's too dark. Yeah, I'm gonna put on. All right, it works. All right, turn it on.
I'm so nervous, bro. Started right up, bro.
Get in.
I think the idle's a bit high.
Wait.
Really?
Bro, Nick, I don't know what's wrong with your camera, but I can barely see anything. Yeah. Look. Bro.
Bro, okay, maybe because it's dark outside, I don't know.
No, but like, it's extremely, like, I don't know. Even though I have the light on.
My phone's not the best. I'll try a couple of screws this way. Let's see if that works. Can you hold this? It's good?
throttle right now or what?
Full throttle run.
Bro, we're gonna blow up right now, bro.
Next. Alright, you ready?
Outro right now.
Okay.
What are you thinking?
Alright, guys. You've seen all the clips. You've heard the voice.
Alright, guys. So, unfortunately, this is when my phone died. But we did a lot of stuff today. We completely took apart the top end of the engine, replaced the piston, replaced the head, replaced the cylinder. We put a new exhaust on it, we put the spark plug back on, and then we ran it, and it runs perfectly. We tuned the carburetor so that the idle is good, and I couldn't be happier with the result. I'm so glad I did this. This bike runs so much better now than it used to, and yeah, thanks for watching, and I hope you come back next week for episode 8, which is the final episode of the bike.